Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to lock screen. Now enter screen lock type, confirm with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of passwords and face and fingerprints biometrics. Now let's enter swipe and go to pattern. Let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's set PIN. Password. And in the end, none. Now we can set up face unlock, and let's select pattern with face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is fingerprint unlock. And the fingerprint sensor is right here. Simply tap the sensor multiple times, always adjusting the position of your fingerprint. Now let's use fingerprint to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.